presentation is about Finland. Finland is in the northeast of Europe. The capital of Finland is Helsinki. The population of Finland is of 5,421,827. The area of Finland is 338,424 square kilometers. The official language is the Finnish and Swedish. The money that they use is the euro. The highest mountain is 201,004 meters, Kebnekaise. The longest river is Saimaa. Turku is another important city. Warm summers and freezing winters. The fortress of Suomenlinna, Old Rauma, Olaf Castle, Savonlinna, Petahavesi, Old Church are the famous buildings. Thank you for listening.